Okay, I'm not crazy, but this works. Tinnitus. I've had it really bad forever. Really bad headaches. Been getting worse. I'm pretty sure I'm onto something that doesn't fix it, but makes it way better. Well, I may be crazy, but I'm telling you, I've been trying this for about 6 months, and it makes a huge difference. Somebody pointed out that with the 5G technology and all that kind of stuff, that, you know, there's always stuff in the airwaves. I'm like, just because you have it on channel 13 doesn't mean that channel 2 isn't broadcasting. You're just not picking it up in your phone. Anyway, what I'm doing is taking all my baseball caps and I'm putting aluminum foil in them. See, I'm putting like aluminum foil in all my baseball caps. If you're still with me, then I may be crazy, but I'm not a weirdo. But here's the thing, I've been trying this for about 6 months, and it works. I'm seeing a difference. You know what? If I wear my hat that has the aluminum foil in it, you know, for like a good 2-3 weeks, I can tell my tinnitus isn't near as bad. I don't have as many headaches just walking around. You know, but if I take off my hat and I stop using that hat or use a different one or whatever, like this one doesn't have it, you know, then yeah, I get the headaches. The tinnitus is terrible. So I wouldn't be making this video looking like a fool if I wasn't really sure this is making a difference. It's not fixing it, but it's making a huge difference. And all I'm doing is I'm taking like 2 or 3 just layers of aluminum foil and putting it in my baseball caps. And when I walk around with a baseball cap, it just, my tinnitus isn't as bad. I don't know why, and I know I probably look like a weirdo, but I mean, nobody knows but me. But the thing is, I wouldn't make a video saying this if I wasn't absolutely sure my tinnitus is, it'll make you suicidal. So, just for the heck of it, just thought I'd let somebody know if anybody else does this and gets rid of a headache or tinnitus that just can't seem to go away with anything. This has been working for me. I'm like, it took about a week or so for me to see the difference, but I've been trying this on and off for about 6 months, and yeah, I'm pretty sure that yeah, I'm like, after a while, I mean, I don't have the headaches as bad, and I don't have the tinnitus as bad. So you might want to try that. Anyway, thank you very much if you're watching this.